Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with a fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, Bluetooth. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.